Hello, dear traders. I hope you have had a wonderful weekend. However, the new week has kicked off and it's time to get down to work. Let's discuss what happened on Forex during the Asian session today. Last week was quite gainful for the US stock market. US stocks closed higher on Friday, with all three major indexes logging their best weekly performance since November 2020. Wall Street experienced euphoria after Jerome Powell outlined the Fed's economic projections and the future plans for monetary policy tightening. The regulator hiked the key rate by 25 basis points. Overall, the Fed is expected to hold 6 meetings this year. Apart from that, the sentiment improved considerably after the talks between China and the United States on the crisis in Ukraine. The S&P 500 soared by 6.2% on Friday. The US dollar, on the contrary, showed weakness. However, this could be a short-term drop. As the rule with the beginning of monetary policy tightening, the US currency trends to decline. After all, despite the rise in the equity market, the geopolitical situation is still very disturbing. The more worried traders are, the higher demand for the safe haven currencies is, especially for the greenback. This is why the US dollar remains at high levels despite its small drop. It's now trading at 98.26 against its main rivals, below the recent peak of 99.41. However, as seen on the chart, the US dollar started the new week with gains, so it has all the chances to rise above the daily range of 98.21 and 98.36. At the same time, the yen nosedived following an increase in the US dollar. The latter managed to gain momentum amid rising US treasuries. The Bank of Japan has been persistently keeping the 10-year government bond yields around 0% for some time. This is a bearish factor for the yen, and last week the dollar-yen pair rose by 1.6% to 119.18, notching almost the highest rise since the beginning of 2016. Asian stock markets also closed Friday in the black. The Nikkei 225 added 0.65%, thanks to an increase in mining and investment companies' shares. The Bank of Japan sticks to a soft monetary policy. However, inflation in Japan grew by 0.9% year-on-year. Although the economic recovery is beyond, inflation remains below the 2% inflation target. Today, trading floors are closed in Japan on the occasion of Vernal Executive Day. Now the dollar-yen pair is trading at 119.20. It's expected to remain in the range of 119.05 and 119.30. The Australian stock market also showed growth following a rise in the US stock market. The S&P ASX 200 remains its upward movement, having gained 0.4%. It has already touched a monthly high of 7,320 points. The index perked up steam amid the strong performance of tech and mining companies. The Aussie cannot boast of such results. The USD pair is trading in the red, hovering at 73.93. And today it's going to face the resistance level of 0.7429 and the support level of 0.7388, having analysts are betting on its decline given that it's a risky asset. The US dollar as a safe haven currency has a greater chance to resume a dazzling rally. And that's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of the latest market news. Feel free to leave your comments down below. InstaForex team wishes you a happy, well-known, Equinix day and a big profits. See you